how to fix GTA 5 texture glitch easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just right click on GTA 5 and then go to properties. Now just go to compatibility mode and go to change settings for all users. You will find it like that. Then just click run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7 and OK again. After that, just go to settings and here go to gaming and then disable Xbox game bar. After that, go to graphics settings and now just enable this one. If you find it here, just enable it hardware accelerated, enable it and then restart your PC. And if that doesn't fix it, just come back here and disable it. And now let's move to the next method. Right click on your PC, NVIDIA control panel, right click on your desktop and here click use my preference, move it to performance and apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you and see you in the next video.